Welcome to Narrating with Nonsense, the only show that makes absolutely no sense at all.
Welcome back, everybody, to Narrating with Nonsense. I'm your host, JG, and today we will be reading an illustration called Shawn's Adventure. So let's get into it. All right, so Shawn's a young baker's apprentice, and he's on break. So he's like, you know what? I'm gonna go for a walk in the park. Let's see what the first image has for us here. As Shawn strolls along, enjoying the park, he suddenly notices something rather unusual. A cloud. It's a very weird, colorful cloud. Looks more like a rainbow and some fog blended together. And this is what it made. It's hanging low in the sky, and Shawn's very observant, so he's pointing at it. I like to think that he's pointing it out to someone, but I'm not sure. Okay, so apparently the pointing did nothing. I'm not really that shocked, to be honest with you. So Shawn keeps walking. He just turns and keeps walking, but he's looking back and he's twisted all weird, still staring at this floaty rainbow. And he ends up tripping. But what? What in the heck? What did he trip over? There's nothing there. It's just flat and colorful. Wait, did he trip over his own shadow? That's what he's tripping on. All right. How do you trip over your shadow? It's not even how physics works. That's just light. Well, it's the absence of it. You can't trip over this kid. This kid. What a weird kid. The story's gonna give me a headache. Just letting you know. Let's take a moment here. Shawn, he tripped over his shadow. He's rubbing his head clearly. Like what the heck just happened? I have no idea what's going on right now. And the colorful cloud thing is just looks sad. Is he sad with Shawn or for Shawn or even at Shawn? I really can't tell, to be honest. But then what's happening here? His shadows stood up. What the? He's holding a walkie-talkie, and that little cloud says he's reporting him for negligent walking. This isn't how shadows work. I didn't sign up for this kid's book reading for this to be what I'm reading, guys. Where's the part about the ordinary baker apprentice? All I've gotten so far is that this guy's on something. All right, so Shawn spots a weird rainbow fog cloud, and then he trips over a shadow. He's clearly confused. The shadow calls the police. Dispatch code 7. All right, new scene? Like he's not even in the park anymore. Now he's in the city? A futuristic... Where'd the tulip forest go? And great, look, he's running. Shawn's raced out of the park, out of the forest. Now he's in the city, and he's being chased. Are those shadow police? His shadow brought back up. Seriously? A whole squad? Where do shadow police even come from? Did they just peel off the forest tree walls? This is ridiculous. And the cloud thing, the awkward cloud whatever, it's just floating above the skyline looking worried. What's it doing? What's it going to do, rain? Is he even going to show any effort of helping Shawn at all? For goodness sake. All right, you know what? I'm done after this, guys. I can't keep... What is this? He's in an alleyway. He just jumps into a dumpster full of garbage? Why? He's running from shadow police. But you know what? They caught up. I'm not shocked. They caught up to him. Shawn, why would you try to hide from shadow police? Does that even sound possible? There's no logic so why would hiding help? Look, they're surrounding the dumpster. Like you pop your head out. You're like, oh, I'm in the clear. Like, what's going on here? Even looking more concerned, this poor kid Shawn, who tripped over a shadow, is now in a dumpster, surrounded by sentient darkness, and the weird cloud is still just watching. It's what? What's what? You know what, kids? This is just not what adventures are about. This is not how things work. There are clear rules to reality, and this story has broken every single one of them. You know what? Just stay off drugs. Seriously, just say no.